Hey everybody, we're at 914 Calico Ridge. We are in Henderson. This property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home.
It's located here in Palm Canyon, which is one of the single-story communities here in Henderson.
It is a 1,600 square foot home. It has an open floor plan, so you're definitely going to feel like it's a lot bigger.
One of the cool things to check out is the double-sided fireplace with the vaulted ceilings.
So what we're going to do now is jump right in, so we're going to take you inside.
We are at 914 Calico Brook Drive. This property is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it is $455,000. This property has a 2-car garage, and it does have tile roofing. Here on the side right here, you have a little bit of an extra room if you do want to put cement there. So we're going to walk right over here to the other side. You're really going to like the landscaping that they've done here. There's palm trees, a lot of greenery. It's very relaxing when you walk in. They did put a cute bench here for relaxing. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you guys inside, and we're going to go ahead and check out the inside of this property.
I hope you enjoyed that video. This property is actually located by a lot of parks around here for your family, for your pets. It's great for them.
This home has an HOA of $19, and if you checked out the backyard, it's a blank canvas to do whatever your heart desires.
If you're not familiar with this side of Henderson, it's by Black Mountain. It's a great location. It's actually been built up too. So now there's dentists over here, Vaughn's shopping center. So there's a lot over here for you guys.
Along with easy access to the 95 freeway, so you can get from here to the Strip in about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
There's a lot of hospitals around nearby as well.
Yeah, perfect. This house is in a great location. So if you want to know more about this house or any of the other houses we have, here's our information right here. You can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We are here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.
For your friends.
Stick you with me.